In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. You need to begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. If you can't find it here, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Edit Shortcut Switch. Look for it over here, and when you find it, add it. Then go back and click on it. In this pop-up, you can select Turn on Location to activate it or Close to switch it off. So when I do that and go back, I can see that location is officially disabled. To enable it, hit the same tile one more time. If you want to, you can also go into Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Then tap on this switcher next to Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!